Hey guys, so welcome back to Smart Money Minds. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you why I think AMC is going to be pushing up to $90 target price coming soon. And 2 weeks ago, I pushed a video about AMC about how it would be crashing, but clearly I am not too correct about that one. It's still holding up well, and 2 weeks later here, I'm seeing a very nice pattern form that gives me confidence that it's actually going up. And as traders, we have to react well to current information. And as information keeps updating, we need to change our trading style in order to adjust to what the market is telling us. Remember that the market is always right, and we have to follow along in order to make money. So what I'm seeing here is that we had a big push up, and that's where the climax came in. We did drop a significant amount here from $77. That was a 50% drop all the way back down here. And as you see here, it's very clear that it approached the golden pocket zone right around the $36, $40. That is an area of confluence. And it's a much bigger area of confluence because the stock price went so high and was so volatile. We have this zone right over here as an area of support. That's where it bounced up, and now it's forming a bullish pennant tightening up on the daily chart. These are the lines showing you the tightening pennant right now, but as you see here, we are actually pushing up on the upper trend line, and we tested twice on the breakout. There's 4 things that I'm watching here that shows me that it's a bullish sign. Number 1, it is the bullish pennant that's tightening, pushing up to the upper trend line and just trying to test out a couple of times this breakout move. The second thing I'm looking for is the volume. So you see the volume on the bulls push up very nicely, but do you see the dropping off volume on the bears? The red volume is nowhere near as strong as the bull volume. And you see here the bulls are slowly creeping back up again. The third thing I'm watching here is that it consolidated all the way back down to the golden pocket range here of 0.618 in one day. And it got bought back up. It held this support. It's pushing up. And what I'm seeing here is the Elliott wave forming. So imagine this is 1, 2. We have a 3 overextended move. We have a 4 coming back down here. And I'm imagining a 5 move here to, if not a double top, so it will be pushing up from wave 3 or from wave 3 to 4. This is the Fibonacci extension to 618. Or even a little bit higher to 786, which is $89. And $89 to $90 is the potential target that I'm looking at. And for full disclosure, I am in AMC shares in a small position, so that you guys know that I'm participating in this as well. And the fourth thing that I'm seeing here is this channel that I see forming. So from this part here to up here to up here, we have 3 touches. Same over here. This is an extension move, an overextended move, but look at it come right back into the zone and kind of push up and back down and looking for a next leg up. So if this uptrend continues, we're looking for the prices to continue to move up until we break this zone, potentially something like this, and we break down like that. Zooming in here on the 1 hour, I see a very good risk to reward play. We have a decent support zone around 52, 51, this zone right here that I drew out. So I entered at $60, and I'm looking for a potential for continuation on this uptrend, and also a bigger move play where it's going to break this bull pennant and push up. I've set my stop just below $50, and so we have a very good potential. Let's say it does head up to even $78. That's a 30% move, and we have a risk of about 14 to 15%, which is a 2-to-1 play. So I'll probably be adding a second position if we get a clean breakout of this bullish pennant on volume. So we need high bull volume to push up. My first target will probably be around the 77 all-time high, or this high zone. And the next target will be around $90 for a big play here if we get it. In the comments below, let me know what you think AMC is going to do. Are you in AMC as well? And what's your game plan? Tell me in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you guys next time.